Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 3 apps that pays free PayPal money in 2022. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It's really going to help out my channel. It's going to help out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because somewhere in this video, a code word is going to pop up. As soon as you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. It's coming soon, guys. We're not that far away. So make sure you type that code word down in the comments below. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, guys, I'm at the Google Play Store and I pulled up the first app. First app is Adipol Paid Surveys. So of course it's a paid survey app, so you're gonna get paid to take surveys. Let's just go ahead and look at some of these screenshots. So this screenshot right here shows the surveys and the amount. So you know the amount's gonna vary. You might get less than that, you might get more than that. So it just depends on the surveys that you get. And the next screenshot just shows the rewards. So that's just how it looks inside in the balance area. And as you can see there, you can cash out through PayPal. And then you'll be able to make extra money by inviting friends. So all you got to do is just share a link on social media. As soon as some of your friends or anybody signs up, you can get paid that way also. Now let's just scroll down here and learn a little bit more about this app. So download Adipol and start getting paid for answering occasion surveys. Keep your earnings for yourself or donate to a charity. It's up to you. Adipol connects you with a wide range of companies and organizations that are looking for views and opinions. By taking part in these surveys, you will be helping them develop new products and services or improve on existing ones. So guys, not only going to be getting paid to just do some simple surveys, you're also going to be helping these companies develop new products or improve on existing ones. How about that, guys? Your voice and your opinion is going to matter. And it also says here, we give you control. Only want short surveys? You can specify the length of surveys you want to be invited to. You can also decide how many surveys you receive in a day or a week. Guys, so you're able to take some long ones or some short ones, and you'll be able to decide on how many surveys you want to do or receive in a day or a week. So you're in full control, guys. And also, you're going to get paid PayPal money quickly, guys. Now let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, it's 4.3. Anything over 4.0 is an excellent app. Now let's just read one review here. So this person named Moses, He said this app legit pays towards your PayPal instantly when you hit $3. And check this out. I've cashed out over $150. So this guy, he loves this app, he gets paid, and he already got paid $150, guys. So that's all I'm going to say about this app. So to get started, go ahead and go to Adipol paid surveys in the Google Play Store. Now let me go to the next app. Okay guys, I'm at the next app. Name of this app is Yougov. So I haven't talked about this app before. This is a brand new app for 2022, guys. So let's go ahead and look at the screenshots. So you have been selected for a Yougov survey. So this is also a survey app, guys. And this is how it looks inside. And you're going to be getting daily questions. Complete your Yougov profile. So it just shows the profile that you need to complete. Answer daily questions. So you're going to get daily questions. You just need to answer. And you're going to earn points by taking Yougov surveys. This is how it looks inside. Once you answer a survey, you get points. Then once you get those points, you can redeem them for rewards. As you can see here, you can redeem them for like $100 and get a bank transfer, or also PayPal cash. So you're going to be sharing your opinions. So it's really similar to the last app. So there's nothing else really to talk about. So you're going to be earning points, redeem those points for a bank transfer or PayPal cash. So out of 5 stars, 4.4. Excellent, guys. This is almost a 5-star app. So you know this app is good, guys. All right, so let's just look at one review here. So this person right here says, doing surveys for Yougov is fun and easy to do, earning points for giving your best opinions on various topics of importance. So this person is satisfied making money with this app. So if you want to go ahead and start on this app, go ahead and download it from the Google Play Store. Again, the name of it is Yougov. Now let me go to the last app. Okay guys, I'm at the last app. The name of this app is Street Bees. Now I have talked about this app a while back, probably been over a year, but I want to bring it up for this new year because this app is still a good app you can download in 2022 and make some good money. So let's just look at some screenshots so we can find out what Street Bees is. So you're going to get paid to chat. You're going to share your thoughts, take pictures, and earn cash. So earn cash quickly, no minimum payout. So it's no minimum payout, guys. You can cash out at $1, $2, or whatever amount you want. Your opinion trains brands. Now let's just scroll down here and see how it works. So you're going to download the app, create an account, become a bee is what they call the people that work on this app. They call them bees. So take a look at the stories available to you. A story is what you called our surveys because that's what they are. Then you're going to complete a story usually takes between 2 and 5 minutes. And then don't forget, depending on the story, you could get paid up to $5 or even enter into a prize draw. And of course, the money will be sent to your PayPal account. Now let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, this is the best one yet, guys. 4.5. So this is halfway to 5 stars. So you know this is a good app, guys, when it's almost 5 stars. Now let's just look at one review here. So this person named Eve said, great app. I love the premise of making 10 cents to $10 just to show them what I'm doing at any given time. So on this app, guys, you can make up to $10, as you can see here. And check this out. Within 24 to 48 hours, they got paid. So this person is a very, very satisfied worker on this app. All right, guys, that's it. That's all I'm going to say about this app. So to go ahead and download this app, go to Google Play Store, look for Street Bees, sign up, and start getting paid. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 25 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about these apps. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys. One last thing I want to do before I end this video, I like to do shout outs. And the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment and I flash it on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. I really appreciate your support. Keep watching all my videos. Keep hitting that like button. If you share my videos, keep sharing them. Help this channel to grow. All right, guys, that's it. Road to 7,000 right around the corner. Let's get there. Let's go. On that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.